growing up.
No, TV.
Dabi. And some of the experience Nyimpa Komini Bina I would want to share with you.
Oh, okay.
The in year time and there was a very good man. I know where you remember friend Mr. Khan.
Okay.
Nah, no TV color TV, color black and white. The black and white now so those days were glassy be TV near black and white, but our glassy be we painting the baby red, baby yellow, baby blue.
Okay.
Now what this shit TV name? It's TV name ya color do.
But who they colored?
Inti the color ni she yuma on the white na baby ejina no ya red side atene ya red.
Hey.
Say movie kejina baby o ye green atene ye green.
Oh nice.
Yeah, inti awe nyi scared what color TV. Na ato them type ni bi na ato glass na ahye
Oh okay.
Yeah, chira wo so hwe colored.
That's all.
Yeah, you na mbrebim Ghana nyi obi da ma bobo ba na Ghana hye jesi white.
Okay.
Na man na den baby Ghana for one no ye yellow.
Okay.
Timu ko school why argument man kama no tumu a wo hwe color TV wo kasa mi so Ghana wo hye jesi yellow. Obi ala hwe. Ghana so bia you be wa hye white na what the ball. What on with them use it am glass ni bi. Yes, but to share this wonderful experience and in na bokwa kohwe movie obi ni fia chide de banche hon.
Hey,
Minim say nyim banche hon bia.
minim banche hon, yeah.
Nti papa no won ponche. Nti the way a odi ye di ba ma no ponche na mo from o baba bohwe.
TV.
Movie ana e ba na de banche hon aba na wa ama akohwe film ni bi.
Na enyi banche hon na enhwe bi.
Enhwe bi.
Na eka fa banche hon wen.
Nti o dey ichime fie obi a wa abo na banche na age.
Hey.
Na za abo no dey feed na ponche.
The hustle was real.
It was real nti yakọ na wa mat na fom na movie na shim na there was ade kra no ya aroho ye hwe movie na abon de sentinel wana asesa na obi ata itum hu de tenya wa tenya onya afraba na ta
Penyin na ta
bet nipa e dine ya na dan hey wana watan mumu ya mu from bone. And sometimes you notice they be on poor papa na yere na bia opeda mu pay na mu koka den so you know ota na ode sha mu from na obotu ina na oche do yin kunu wetu ma ase ho nti sometimes obi ne takeke na was ashen innocent souls
so that would dey pa courage
I say abanda ma wadinya kwagina abu na chi ana hembo from na ankasa ya yin ya horoko no be abone yanko suspect I want 10 no emi amu to hwe bo hwe da kwabina mu we punu to na ne yankuli hu ade no no ten a bo hwe na madam su no hye de mu a wa say ho
madam ase ho da shambo from an
I see but in the nyame na adom hia da wompadum po tum so TV na hwe
TV be 50 na me hu ade e TV so
your phone you da me na just to entertain yourself and there was another one so obi o ha o man beni dey.
Okay.
So they jinem tokrom.
Ampa ono so.
Na bread of the edge bonim tokrom no nyum there. Sana he's not alone. Our backers which ayi. And I sana girl when in China bread also some moving all the ponoko too.
Ebe na mo fam wada ho agina wonko.
No the two me na ebe ye hu abonsam ka to afrabo na ye de yakọ. Na ye shem tokene chi na ye de ya adi mu na. Iti nda waya da gani tiam wopono ni mu kwahwe afra ku just makado obedi na ewe sisi ada brother no suspect dey ejire chiwa de belt obogu ahead oya easy o
na brother na nko na osha wa na no
na girl abo it those days so girl abo wechera na pede embo ma na apa epede chende edwuma bokoda na dipuno na ato
those days no way nyam
those days set obi tumto calendar sex styles wodo yeah those days young boy fede we do ni be 21 na we nya na ni geto kakran auto ne calendar styles wodo doggy na
da abobonde
da aboni David wala get ba
edwuma be yeni
menu no
what he wants.
Men no know what I don't see. I try to choose it at all. One woman to Banchi.
Ghana flag.
I'm Ghana flag not then.
Mini may smart.
Nama.
Mini most smarty. Get no kind of mass. I'm not go more illustration because I'm task there.
Miss Mother to see my dad and I practice so.
Oh no, it would a Ghana flag name would oily. Oily, say be a damna. But mini means smart. It would from a bar or him flag in some way. But me name, yeah, me name the way.
I you there virgin.
Oh yeah,
yeah, you want dada. You want dada.
Virgin.
Obakadakra, Buffet.
One channel.
And soon to be fancy.
Oh yes.
But shirt extra large t-shirt then. One day we go see the prank. Inti guys, these are some of the memories from the childhood days. Na yeko TV. I don't know if you have any experience in your childhood days going to people's house to watch TV. And I will.
I mean, my experience them.
And I would be 2000 in baby.
Oh no, 1990 horrible no. I mean, someone cast specifically no, but wada.
Ye.
And me ko benefits it. Chode, amankasa na me a very reserved person, so now me a reserved. Me pay me ho asam. So benefit pa de me town ko. Yeah. No. I'm always at the comfort of my home. But I do corona me care them ye. Me name is bread and over chance on this video.
Obi ba target. I saw be target bread at the
Well, na yet a compound house. Na me mami, wa strong one and them mami. Madi order hade. She na fa mobi. Na metan baby na bread ya ba na so pem mami na adi. Musumi the bread and bowl red and nimu akafa. So that mo fa ade no mudiko sie. E we chire Medi sie na mkaka chanda mami ni won ti mu baby order atu. Bread and nsi yo no kwai. Na yi na mami abohwehwe na ade yo hu. Musumi refer baby am da atu.
Asababa.
Oburu mo papa.
Asababa.
Obi am le save mo hu no. Afi de ma akoto nso hwem.
Asababa. I mean, childhood days, a lot of memories. I'm sure that your Kakai also wants to be. You can come into the comment section and also share with us. Follow us on Pacorich Studios, F1 Koso. Yeah. She's on YouTube, she's on Facebook, she's on TikTok and she's one of the biggest TikTok stars in Ghana. Celeb Papa B. Atasa. Atasa.
Yes.
Atasa. It's guys, subscribe. We'll bring you another episode of Fucking Things. It is.
Oh, be lie.
It be set up.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem.